Hello and welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbeloso. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. On this channel, we talk about all things financial, but my number one goal is for you to become financially literate because I am a financial coach after all. So please come back often so that you can get the latest video. I post once a week and I have a live video once a week. In today's video, we'll be talking about investing. Yes, I have several videos about investing, and this is another video for beginning investors. So stick around so you can get some tips on how to invest with very little money. Now, before I begin diving into how you can invest with very little money, you may be wondering, Ruth, where am I going to get the money from? Hey, let me tell you a couple of ways that you can free up some cash that you can use for investing. Number one, you can sell items that you no longer use. You may have used clothing, shoes, jewelry, other items that you don't use. You can go ahead and sell those, and the money that you make from those sales can be put towards your investing. Another way that you can free up some money is money that you allocated to one thing can be used towards your investing. For instance, if you normally get a haircut every week and say it costs about $15, skip 2 haircuts, that gives you $30. And I'm going to show you how you can put that $30 to work for you. Enough about that. We're going to go ahead and dive in, and you're going to want to stick through to the end of this video because I have a giveaway for you. The first way that you can use less than $100 to invest. So in this video, I will be talking about how to invest with less than $100, by the way. I forgot to mention that. Go ahead and like this video. The first way is Acorns. Now, I talk about Acorns a lot because I've used them for a very long time right now, and I am an affiliate. So I do have the link below. But the reason why I like them so much is because you can invest with a little bit of money, and they allow you to use your spare change when you go shopping. So for instance, if you buy something for $1.50, they'll round up to the nearest dollar, so up to $2, and take that extra 50 cents and put it away for you. So it's a wonderful way. And there's other ways that Acorns work. I have a video on that I'll link so you can take a look at that. And my description is my link is in the description box. The next one I want to talk to you about is Robinhood. I like Robinhood because it allows you to invest in fractional shares. What fractional shares are, you don't get a full share, but you can get a portion of a share. Of course, they do allow you to invest in full shares, but here's an example. If you want to invest in Apple, thankfully because of the split, it's running about $120 right now, but say you don't have that much, but you still want a piece of the pie. With Robinhood, you can go ahead and invest in and have less than a stock of Apple, but at least you'll have some of the pie, right? Some of the pie is better than none of the pie. Wouldn't you agree? So check my link down below. If you click on my link and you sign up through my link, you'll be able to get one stock for free, and I'll get one stock for free. I did that before, and I was able to get Facebook for free. Now, there's no guarantee what stock you're going to get. It's picked randomly, but some stock is better than no stock. So go ahead and click on my link if you'd like to try out Robinhood, and let me know what you think in the comment section because I really like it so far. I think it's very user-friendly. The next way that you can invest with less than $100 is you can use a robo-advisor to be able to formulate a portfolio for yourself. Here's some examples of some companies that you can use: M1 Financing, or M1 Finance rather, and Betterment. Those are just two examples of robo advisors that you can use to put together a portfolio for you. Next, you can invest in ETFs. ETFs are a very low-cost way to invest in the stock market. As a matter of fact, with just a small amount of money, you can invest in the total stock market by investing in ETFs. One such example is you can also open a traditional or Roth IRA for less than $100. Those are retirement accounts that you can open up, and I will talk in more detail about those in another video. The last way that I want to express to you how you can invest less than $100 is to invest it in yourself. Listen, you can use that money to increase your knowledge about various things. You can buy books, you can buy a course, you can put it towards a business. So there's different things that you can do with that money. And I remember hearing Warren Buffett say that it's good to invest in yourself. I hope this video was helpful to you. I have a freebie for you. I have my ebook available. So when you click on the link in my description, you'll be able to go to the page where you can get that ebook for free. It is selling on Amazon, but I'm going to give it to my viewers for free. Just my thank you for being here and for supporting my channel. So thank you so much. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one of these you're going to try, because even though you don't have a lot of money, you can start today to invest. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook. This is Ruth Agbeloso, your financial coach. Bye-bye.